welcome to my channel. If not, welcome back. And in today's video, I am going to show you guys how I pre-poo my hair. Now, it's 1:30 in the freaking morning and I leave my pre-poos in overnight. So I'm gonna have to make this video a two-part process. This video, will show the pre-poo. The next video is going to show how I actually wash my hair. So please stay tuned and follow up for the next video. Also, if you haven't seen the previous video, please go check it out. Please pause the video and go check it out. It's actually breaking down why pre-pooing is such an essential part to your hair care routine. Okay, so first off, let me start off by saying pre-pooing is such an amazing part to my hair care routine because it leaves my hair feeling so freaking amazing. My hair loves it. As a kid, my mom used to do it all the time. When I became a teen, I kind of like fell off doing the teenage things, and then when I became an adult, life just got too busy and I had to shorten up my hair care routine. But now that I implemented it back into my hair care routine, guys, let me tell you, the results are so freaking amazing. You can't beat it. It leaves my hair feeling so moisturized. It relieves my itchy scalp. It makes detangling so much better. When I say my scalp is so tender-headed, I'm tender-headed. I am so tender-headed. And it leaves my natural hairstyles more defined. It leaves definition because when I tell y'all my hair is so crazy, it's crazy. It do whatever it want. It don't listen. So today, I'm gonna apply the Manuka honey, aloe vera, and olive oil mask to my hair. Now I'm gonna do a mask today because I usually do just like the oils, but I'm doing a mask because my hair has just been so lifeless and dry for the past like week and a half, and I just want to replenish all the moisture. So let's get into the video. that was my pre-pooing routine. It was a little bit stickier than usual because I put the Manuka honey in there, but that was well needed because my hair was extra dry and I needed the honey to attract all of the moisture. Usually I use a lot more oils. I just use this honey once a month or as needed. So yeah, if you liked, please comment, subscribe, or share. Hit the like button, and I will see you in the hair washing video. Thanks for watching.